The movement of goods by sea has supported world commerce for well over 100 years, giving rise to a need for ships to navigate safely and efficiently. To assist in the safe navigation of ships, authorities throughout the world have implemented navigational aids such as lighthouses and buoys. The BC Marine Electronic Highway seeks to provide additional layers of sensor information to aid in safety, security, and environmental stewardship for vessels navigating the BC coastline.
The concept that we created with Xanatos Marine is a BC Marine Highway. It is complete coverage over the ships as they move through the waters of British Columbia. The system really tightens up the communication stream to the ship. It brings down the risk factor considerably.
Inside the limits of the harbor, we have something called the Marine Domain Awareness System. So we're providing a 360-degree view of the vessels and their activities whilst inside of the area of our direct responsibility. This is accomplished with a layered integration of sensors. Automatic Identification System, or AIS, is used to collect and display information about AIS-compliant vessels. Radar is used to detect objects and/or vessels. It is an effective sensor for identifying vessels that do not have AIS transponders, such as pleasure craft. The camera is used in conjunction with the radar and/or the AIS system to visually verify targets and situations. With Xanatos Marine system, we can simply click on the AIS or radar target, and the camera will swing to and then automatically track that target. All of the data from these sensors is sent back to the command center, where it is displayed on Xanatos TITAN Sentinel platform. We're building off of an already robust system where large numbers of ships safely move every day by providing more tools that are more reflective of the evolution of technology. This system allows to see beyond the horizon or around a geographical feature by accessing other sensor packages and bringing that information to the ship.
Allowing the port to have an effective understanding of what's going on in and around their area of responsibility, from being able to identify, track, and visually verify targets, to assigning them to specific shipping routes, and if they go off those shipping routes, alarms start automatically populating on the screen, people get emails, people get text messages, so everything's real time. The system's modular, so we can have a number of different stakeholders, our maritime authorities involved. The way the system is designed is we can set up one radar, and that data from that one radar can go to another port, it can go to ferries, it can go to Coast Guard, it can go back to Nanaimo. Same thing for AIS and cameras.
I care about my industry, and the solution we're crafting moves our industry safely forward and allows its continued existence, supporting the nation.
The port is in British Columbia, Xanatos Marine is in British Columbia, and we're finding solutions for British Columbia.